Hey there, science fans! Welcome to an exciting journey where we explore the boundless energy of the sun. Have you ever thought about the incredible power of the sun? It's not just a giant ball of fire in the sky, it's a powerhouse of energy that sustains life on Earth. It's amazing! Every day, the sun showers our planet with enough energy to power everything we do. From the food we eat to the air we breathe, the sun plays a crucial role in our daily lives. And guess what? We can actually capture that energy and use it to power our homes and lives. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now all around the world. That's what solar power is all about. By using solar panels, we can convert sunlight into electricity. These panels are made up of photovoltaic cells that absorb sunlight and generate electric current. Imagine harnessing the sun's energy to light up your home, charge your phone, or even power your electric car. The possibilities are endless and incredibly exciting. With solar power, we can make that happen. It's not just about saving money on your electricity bill, it's about creating a sustainable future for generations to come. It's clean, it's renewable, and it's getting more affordable every day. Advances in technology are making solar panels more efficient and less expensive, making it easier for everyone to go solar. So are you ready to learn how it all works? Let's dive in. We'll explore the science behind solar energy, how solar panels are made, and the incredible impact they can have on our planet. Stay tuned, because the power of the sun is truly in your hands. Okay, so what exactly is solar energy? It's a term we hear quite often these days, but do we really understand what it means and why it's so important? Let's dive into the fascinating world of solar energy and uncover its significance. Simply put, solar energy is the radiant light and heat from the sun. This energy has been harnessed by humans for thousands of years in various ways, but it's only in recent decades that we've developed the technology to convert it into electricity efficiently. It's a natural and sustainable energy source that we can use to generate electricity. Solar panels, which are made up of photovoltaic cells, capture sunlight and convert it into electrical energy. This process is not only efficient but also incredibly beneficial for our environment. Now, why should we care about solar energy? The answer lies in the numerous advantages it offers. For one, solar energy is renewable, meaning it won't deplete over time. Unlike fossil fuels, which are finite and will eventually run out, the sun provides a constant and abundant source of energy. Well, for starters, it's incredibly good for our planet. Solar energy helps reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, which are major contributors to air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. By switching to solar power, we can significantly cut down on the harmful pollutants released into our atmosphere. Unlike fossil fuels, which pollute our air and contribute to climate change, solar energy is clean and green. It doesn't produce any harmful emissions, making it a much healthier choice for us and our environment. This means cleaner air to breathe and a more stable climate for future generations. It doesn't produce any harmful emissions, making it a much healthier choice for us and our environment. Additionally, solar energy systems require very little maintenance and have a long lifespan, often lasting 25 years or more. This makes them a cost-effective solution in the long run. Plus, the sun gives us a constant supply of energy, so it's a resource that will never run out. By investing in solar energy, we are not only protecting our planet, but also ensuring a sustainable and reliable energy future. So, the next time you see a solar panel, remember the incredible potential it holds for a cleaner, greener world. Now let's talk about how we actually capture all that amazing solar energy. This is where solar panels come in. Solar panels are like giant energy sponges that soak up sunlight and convert it into electricity. Pretty cool, right? These panels are made up of special materials, usually silicon, that have a unique property. When sunlight hits them, it knocks electrons loose, creating an electrical current. It's like magic, but it's actually science. The more sunlight a solar panel receives, the more electricity it can generate. Here's the thing about the electricity generated by solar panels. It's not quite ready to power your TV or your computer just yet. That's because solar panels produce direct current, DC electricity, while most of our appliances run on alternating current, AC electricity. So how do we bridge the gap? With the help of inverters. Inverters are like electrical translators that convert DC electricity from your solar panels into AC electricity that your home can use. They act as the middleman, making sure the solar energy is compatible with your household appliances. Section 5. Storing sunshine. Solar batteries for a rainy day. Now what happens when the sun goes down or if it's a cloudy day? Don't worry, we've got that covered too. With solar batteries, you can store the excess energy generated by your solar panels during the day and use it later when you need it. Think of solar batteries like rechargeable batteries for your entire house. They provide backup power and ensure that you can still enjoy the benefits of solar energy, even when the sun isn't shining. It's like having your own personal sunshine reserve. Section 6. Sharing is caring. Connecting to the grid and getting rewarded. In many cases, your solar panels will generate more electricity than you need at any given time. But don't worry, that extra energy doesn't go to waste. With a grid-tied solar system, you can actually sell that excess power back to the electric company. That's right, you can become an energy producer and potentially earn credits on your electricity bill. It's a win-win situation. You're helping to reduce reliance on fossil fuels and getting rewarded for it at the same time. Section 7. Solar power, a big win for our planet. Let's talk about the environmental impact for a moment. The choices we make today have a profound effect on the world we leave for future generations. One of the most impactful decisions we can make is to embrace renewable energy sources, and solar power stands out as a leading option. Choosing solar power is one of the most significant steps you can take to reduce your carbon footprint and combat climate change. When you install solar panels on your home or business, you're not just making a smart financial decision, you're also making a powerful statement about your commitment to the environment. By harnessing the sun's energy, we can dramatically reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, which are a major source of greenhouse gas emissions. Fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas, release large amounts of carbon dioxide and other harmful pollutants into the atmosphere when burned. This contributes to global warming and has severe consequences for our planet, including rising sea levels, more frequent and intense natural disasters, and loss of biodiversity. Solar energy is a clean, renewable resource that doesn't pollute our air or water. Unlike fossil fuels, solar power generates electricity without emitting harmful pollutants or greenhouse gases. This means cleaner air, healthier communities, and a more stable climate. Additionally, solar power reduces the strain on our water resources, as it requires very little water to operate compared to traditional power plants. It's a sustainable choice that helps protect our planet for future generations. By investing in solar energy, we are investing in a future where our children and grandchildren can enjoy a healthy, thriving planet. Solar power also promotes energy independence, reducing our reliance on imported fuels and enhancing our national security. By going solar, you're not just powering your home, you're becoming part of a global movement towards a cleaner, greener future. This movement is gaining momentum as more and more individuals, businesses, and governments recognize the benefits of renewable energy. Together, we can create a world where clean energy is the norm, not the exception. So, let's embrace solar power and take a stand for our planet. Every solar panel installed is a step towards a brighter, more sustainable future for all. Section 8. The future is bright and solar-powered. As technology continues to advance, solar power is becoming more efficient and affordable than ever before. More and more people are realizing the incredible benefits of harnessing the sun's energy, and the future of solar power is incredibly bright. Imagine a world where most of our energy comes from the sun, where our cities are powered by clean, renewable energy, and where we've significantly reduced our impact on the environment. With solar power, that vision can become a reality. It's time to embrace the power of the sun and create a brighter future for generations to come.